gates open, they're up and racing. Halo Dancer didn't waste time at the start, takes the early lead. Blue Phoenix is already outside, in between runners moving up. Damong Ligaw, Poker Chip, then running by the rail. Rivers of Gold, Camora, Being Mine, and Arrowhead is running at the tail of the field. Past the half-mile pole and now heading towards the last 600. Three runners are fighting it out for the lead. Halo Dancer from the outside. Camora running by the rail. Racing in third. Rivers of Gold, Being Mine. Then comes Damong Ligaw as they race at the final 450. Jesse Basilio Guse on Halo Dancer is still with a double wrap in front. By the rail is Camora. Rivers of Gold remains in third. Poker Chip, Arrowhead by the rail, Being Mine, and Damong Ligaw. And down the stretch they come. Halo Dancer starts to draw away by about 6 to 7 lengths. And finally, Jebby Guse on Halo Dancer. Poker Chip took second, then comes Camora, Damong Ligaw, and Rivers of Gold for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 4-7-2